This is what we found when we opened up our garage. That's the snow shelf that was built outside. You can see all this, ooh, it's totally whiteout conditions. You can barely see. And the snow is blowing and it's coming down really hard. And we have about, I'd say we have about 8 inches so far. And it's blowing inside the garage, so I'm going to have to close the garage here really soon. It's like it's coming down in buckets. Lots and lots of snow. You can see it blowing on the back of the car. There's no distinction. You can see the old snow piles kind of underneath. That's from the last snow that we had. And there's no distinction of our driveway. You can't see the driveways at all because they're completely buried. There's a car sitting outside over there. You can see the snow piled up around it. Okay, time to go inside. I'm freezing. It's now about 3:45 and this is the snow we have right in the garage. This is probably about at least a foot to a foot and a half. And then let's see if we can get a view. It's blowing so hard now. It's coming down so high. We've got snow drifts over here. These are about 5 feet up to the side of the house here. And this is supposed to be our driveway right out in front. But you can't see it anymore. There's some of our neighbors' houses. They're crazy, crazy cold out here. The snow is just blowing. You can barely see. I can barely see to the end of our road here. Right out there is the end of our road. And the main street runs out there, but you can't see it because the snow is blowing so hard. You can see our sidewalk. You can see the path, the light that's right there. It's almost buried. But the snow is blowing really heavy in between the houses, so that's probably why it's not collecting there too much. Okay, I'm going back inside. It's freezing. This is out the back side of our house. There's a cow pasture that's back there. You can see the fence. And the snow is just piled up pretty bad back there against the fence. It's about, I'd say it's right up maybe about a foot and a half up the fence line. And you can see the snow. It's still blowing really heavy out the back. Let's see if we can look out this way. That's out the other side of our house. Some houses in behind ours.